Hello students, welcome to English tutorials. I'm Hardik Thakkar and I'm going to teach you on restoration and Augustan literature. The subject code of this paper is EN3101/EN3501. In this video, I'm going to present syllabus of this paper and the lesson plan.
So here I am, students, on my PPT slides. This PPT slides in which I'm going to show you the syllabus, obviously. Apart from syllabus, I'm going to discuss on the lesson plans. So let us quickly see. Your syllabus EN3101, EN3501, paper name Restoration and Augustan Literature. In that we have Unit 1, in which you are going to have socio-political and literary characteristics of Restoration and the Augustan age. Unit 2, you will have Restoration drama, which includes tragedy and comedy, Restoration poetry, Restoration prose. Unit 3, you will have Sheridan. Sheridan's very well known and famous play, The School for Scandal. Unit 4, it comprises 10 acquaintances. In external exam, each acquaintance carries 7 marks. You need to write in 200 words that you already know about it. So we have first acquaintance, it's All for Love. Second, Absalom and Architecture. The Dunshot, Essay of Dramatic Poesy. Pilgrim's Progress, Robinson Crusoe. Pamela, A Tale of a Tub. Tom Jones, The Way of the Worm. So these are the 10 acquaintances you are going to study in this semester. We have recommended text. You can prefer Pramod Kenaya, which is quite famous. There are several books available in the libraries. Several copies available of Pramod Kenaya's History of English Literature. Michael Alexander is good, so you can refer these books for the history part. Now, lesson plans. Here, how we are going to work on each topic and what would be our deadline for finishing that topic. Here I am going to tell you about that. So first, we are going to take Unit 1. In that Unit 1, we are going to have socio-political aspects of the Restoration and the Augustan age, which I'm trying to finish it on 25th of July. Second, that literary characteristic of the Restoration and the Augustan age, which I'm trying to finish it on, obviously 31st of July. After 31st of July, we have almost 14 days of time, to finish acquaintances. However, acquaintances are something that students are supposed to learn by themselves. But here I'm planning to think on taking at least a small video on this Unit 4 on each acquaintance on the daily basis. So for example, I'm planning that each day one acquaintance, and from 1st August to 14th of August. So I'm trying to finish all this 10 acquaintances within that duration. So that was about this lesson plan as well as of syllabus. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to receive notification on any latest videos and updates. Thank you.